All right, just got this fresh bad boy from Nike. Got the early drop on the Royal Toe Jordan 1s. I did open it up and look at them right away, but just wanted to, I guess, kind of show you guys what you see here. Opening these up. I never hit on an early access pair before, so this is my first pair, and pretty cool, I guess. Standard box. Oh, bam. Yep. Pretty sweet looking shoe overall, honestly. That contrast, that just being with the more black with the blue than like the Royals that released before, which were more like white and blue overall. Just having that white mid panel hit is awesome. Yeah, I mean, it's sweet. It's a pair, I'm normally not a blue shoe guy, but it's probably a pair that I would wear. We'll see. I don't know. I might end up keeping them. Maybe not. And honestly, as I was looking at these, I kind of noticed like a little bit of a difference in, I mean, these are brand new, literally just got them dropped off by UPS, but if you can tell, like, even, I'm going to show you, so this is the left pair. Look at the toe box. It's got that nice, like, I had the shadow ones, very close, very similar to like the gray, the way the leather feels in the gray panels on those. Just, you can tell, you can see that nice soft leather. You can see that tumbled texture on there. Now let me show you the other one. Look at this one's toe box, the toe cap. It's got like almost your standard cheap leather texture. And now let me move the little toe thing back, and even it doesn't even feel the same. Like, this one feels more like baseball glove leather right here, and this is like just cheaper feeling. I don't understand what the difference is there. That's really weird to me. Just a subtle little thing, but it does matter. Also, weirdly enough, check this out. Look at how pronounced the stars are on the toe on this one. This is the one with the baseball glove style toe cap leather. Stars are like, I mean, just super apparent. Now look at the other one. I mean, it's just like a little different side by side. And I even looked as far as even the texture on those rings is a little different. What is going on here? I mean, two different sole molds? These are direct from Nike. I'm 100% no messing around. I mean, I just got them. Weird. I mean, and actually, if you look at even the midsole texture, slightly different on both. Like, just like the pronunciation. And I mean, I'm not being nitpicky on like, oh, quality this, quality that. Like, I mean, overall, like, the quality of the shoes are good. It's just such weird to have like such little differences shoe to shoe. I don't understand. I tried to like look, I looked at the tags. They both have like the same dates stamped and everything. I mean, there's nothing else on them that really like sticks out to me like poor quality or anything like that. But I mean, you can clearly see that those two midsoles are like ever so slightly a different texture. And I know they changed the texture whatever to that like random texture, quote unquote, for like the 85s, but yeah, I mean they kept that to those, but it's just weird. I don't know. I'll show you the toe caps side by side here. Baseball glove leather. Crap leather. Baseball glove leather. I mean, that's like shattered backboard quality leather grain there. And then you got this. What? I mean, did they like run out of this stuff and we're like, just throw that crap leather on there. They won't notice. You know, no one will care. I don't know. It's just weird. I mean, that is clearly nice leather, and this is not. You can tell in hand. Ugh. Disappointing to see on a brand new pair of shoes. That difference. A little like fraying on the leather on that other one there, on the heel, but whatever. Cool shoe overall. I mean, even that texturing is a little different on the heel cup, heel area. A little more grain, a little more shine almost. This one's a little duller, less grain, more pronounced grain. I'm just thrown off, real thrown off. I mean, to be honest, that toe cap thing would bother me so much. I don't know. I don't know if I could bring myself to wear these pair. You know, this one's gonna crease all nasty and ugly, and then this one will get that nice set-in crease, and it's not gonna be uniform, and you'll have like, that would bother me. Bother me way too much. I mean, yeah, you know, dope shoe overall. I don't understand that whole difference there. It's not much different there. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. And I don't know if that's just me being picky, but that toe cap difference is definitely a big difference in leather on that. Big difference. Surprised, honestly, by that. And the sole thing, it was just bizarre. Another spot. Look at the texture in there. The texture in that one. And I know it's a right and left, so yeah, there's obviously there's a different mold, but like, I don't know. It's just weird. I mean, the textures, given the generation of Jordans that it is or whatever, I figure would size to size, you know, would a 10.5 sole mold vary from a 9.5? Maybe, yeah, maybe, and that would be maybe a little more expected, but two of the same size to have a slightly different mold on the sole is interesting. I don't know.